Should I buy Theta Network? Should I invest in Theta Network? And this month, my friend, and this June, yes, exactly, my friend, I predicate this coin. I do a technical analysis. Absolutely, I will see of that, and after that, my friend, we decide to this coin is good for investment in this month or not, my brother. So let's see this time. You can say, my brother, without any time must I start this video, but kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type of informative videos. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. You can see, my brother, this time the Theta Network change occur is absolutely going to be positive. So it's mean to this is one of the unique coin in a crypto market. Today will change occur in the positive. Before, if you can see, my brother, the all crypto market is very badly falls down, especially from last 1 month. So therefore, I'm also sad, my brother, because a lot of crypto coin is lost now. So therefore, I'm so sad. But definitely, you can see your Theta Network, one of the good coin, my brother, and absolutely stable coin. Today will give you a very good profit, and absolutely, if you are invest for a long time, exactly this coin is going to be very good now. And if you want to invest for a short time, then absolutely this coin is not for you. But right now, this time, my friend, they cannot fail down very badly. You can see here in this time a very terrible condition from last month, my brother. All crypto market, not just my friends. You can see Theta Network or, my friend, a lot of coin fails down. All crypto market, Dogecoin, my brother, all fails down. Shiba is also fails down. So don't see this short fails. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time there is more chances they will move upward. Theta Network holders, remember to after a fail, every cryptocurrencies take a jump. So it's mean to if they fails down in this time. You can see here. So exactly, my friend, after this red candle, I hope they will give you a green candle and they completely go in the town. They will make you tower. So you need to hold and invest now more and more. And remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, Theta Network holder, please like this video and also subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.